So in this video, what we are going to discuss is a very simple topic, but hence also complicated topic as well, about the open source contribution in the GitHub as well. So in uh, like what I have learned in the recent of my contributions is that communications plays a really very important role while making any contributions. Uh, like once, like first when I was starting my open source contribution, what I usually have to do, like what I usually do, I just open the PR without any communication to the team as well. Like let me show you one thing. uh, if you go to it, is my one of the recent PR which I have made mistake. Like what I did, I was just creating some using some function, and I just updated this thing, like just simply a function name change, because it is just that it make much more sense, simple update status. But after that I talked to the team of Apprite, it is Apprite SDK, and in that I've gained that it is not the correct way to just open the PR. It will not get even the merge, and it will not get even attention or something. So, and for that what I did, I have to come here SDK generator, because they have used SDK generator to generate the Flutter SDK. So come here and open an issue. After that it will the team will take care of it, whatever they do. And yep, I have created it, like create a issue, and this guy also give its suggestion, so I just gave it that this is my take on it. So the whole point what I'm trying to say, it is that open source is not just about creating any pull request or merging any pull request. It's all about communication between the team and the feature you want to develop, or let's say bug identified while doing this. Let's say once I created a very small PR, it got merged even at the Apprite web app. Like let me explain you. If you go to the Apprite, not this, apprite.io, and let it open, and here if you go to the Flutter, there was one mistake. Okay, let me go to docs and Flutter. Like it was one mistake, I still remember what was the mistake. Like here there was an additional semicolon, right, attached here or somewhere, and these two lines I got to know, and I created a PR, and then it got merged even. If I found the screenshot of it, I'll pin it. It was a small PR, and it should get merged because it is just a typo while making the file. But let me show you some of my PRs. I'm not flaunting or anything, I just wanted to convey that PR is not just about that you are just being an open source creator. It's just an implementing a feature which is being used by multiple users, and which is being also helpful for other people as well. Like, and the main part about creating any issues at the GitHub or anything else is all about how you can contribute, and how you can see that how you can work with such large code base as well. So this is not gonna work because I just created, and after 2 days I just closed it, because I got to know this will not even get any traction or something, because it is not a correct way to open any PR or something. So correct way is to talk to the team. If you go here at the Apprite, there was every Thursday at 8:30 or 9:30 p.m. They have office hours, and talk to them about any PR or something, and they will hear you out. So this is about the Apprite. And the Gazelle thing, which how it got merged, is that I have to, because Gazelle just started, I have to implement uninstaller for the Gazelle CLI. It's a delete the file, remove, and uninstall. So I just created it and just updated it. But look at the conversation, because I am creating any feature, the reviewer has to see that what else should be there so that it can even more engaging to the user. So I've created uninstaller, implemented it, and it would say that change the name. It is simple typos, but through this conversation we get to know that how it should be done, and other thing like still name and other options. And while making PR, while merging or anything, all like let's say I would also add a simple test. I even didn't know how to write tests in Flutter, but I did some research how to write tests and other stuff, and I even asked the contributor on the Discord. If you go here, the Gazelle Discord, I'll comment it down that uh, the Gazelle Discord link. And if you go to the contribute, if you go to a thread, let's say deletion of project, update and delete project. So here we have created thread and just talk to it. And here I didn't even know how to create the test thing, like I didn't know how to create tests. So I asked them how I can create the test and other stuff, and he helped me out. He just gave me a path, or let's say something, so that I can learn that and then implement. So after like on May 13 it get implemented. So what I learned through this, that even though if you don't know how to do this thing, you can learn and then you can talk to him and then contribute. The main purpose of it, it's just not that you just come here and just create a pull request and then go from there. No, it's just that you come here on the Gazelle, or let's say any app, right, or something. You found a bug, even it is small or even it is large, it doesn't matter. You come and explore the bug. You create an issue first, and then by the issue you tell them that I have got an issue and I want to work with it, and it would be better for how you can contribute. So yeah, this is one of my take how you can contribute to the GitHub more greater way. It is just an idea which I am giving to you, like what are the good thing about creating a PR and about creating an issue. And the most learning path is that on the issues, when you create, there are multiple more contributors which just take which take its own time and contribute to the your conversation. Let's say I want to create an uninstaller, but it says uninstaller is not a good name, or let's say you can convert it to delete or something. And let's say there you created a function and they say function is good, but you can optimize it by this. So by this means that you can improve your knowledge base, how you can do that. And yeah, so this is how you can improve your knowledge and improve working with a large code base, etc. And yeah, that's it from my side. It is not coding video, it is not it is just a raw video which I wanted to give. It is just a raw format, and yeah, more such raw format will come later. And yeah, that's it from my side. Keep learning, keep exploring, and do comment down that what's your take on the PR, and have you any created PR before which they get merged. So any interested story about the PR or something, you can comment it down. And yeah, keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in the next video. Next video is will be on my resume application which we were creating before. And yep, keep learning, keep exploring, and hope you to see you there on my next video. Bye bye.